I don't know.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
I'm Jenna.
This is my little sister. We went to IMATS this year. This is her first year going.
First time.
She was a little...
I got a little carried away, I'm not gonna lie.
And it was a little overwhelming, but we're gonna start off with the places that we went to. Excuse me, ma'am. We went to Anastasia first. Well, we're not gonna go in any order, but this is our first place that we're gonna show you from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You wanna go first?
Sure. I'll start off while we were in line. I got a keychain for free. It's cute. It just has like whatever. We actually both got
set showed together. These ones.
Yeah.
The Sugar Glow Kit.
Pretty. The guy recommended it, so
I guess you do.
And after I just got dip brow and then the brush, whatever. And a lip gloss. It's this one. Kristen. Yeah. Kristen.
So pretty.
And I wasn't going to, but
what happened was
I went to go pay and the lady was like, "Are you sure you don't want to buy this little matte lipstick set?" And it was pretty good price. It was like what, 19?
Yeah, it was 19.
So I was like, I didn't.
So she got suckered
They're
in.
like these colors. I don't know. Whatever.
And I ended up buying the new bronzer that they had recently launched. Well, today I guess they showcased it. Oh, it's like a little thing. This is the shade that I bought. This one, it's called Saddle. So I got this one. So I got the A26 brush to highlight because the one from Target is like slowly falling apart. So I'm just like, just get it here. It's discounted anyways.
Oh, I spent like 44.
No.
Yes, I did.
You spent 84. I spent 64 at Anastasia. I'll list all the prices in the description box down below in case you're curious, because there's no receipt. We'll just show you your next big purchase so that way they can see.
Okay, which one was Morphe? Morphe was like the longest.
Yeah, Morphe was the longest wait. I only got one thing because my brush broke for this. This is the E8 to contour. Real quick, this is the only one I bought. It was $5.
I just got this fan brush, and I wanted to try the concealers, so it was like $4 or $5. I was like, why not? And then setting spray. My sister, she has it. I liked it. And then she got a palette. So pretty.
The 3502, which I do have, and it's a bomb palette if you like warm tones.
Finally got a palette.
This was at Royal and Langnickel brushes. They're super cute set. This was $30.
It was face brushes and like
yeah, really cute, really good.
They have them in different colors. That was nice. And it came with a little cute fan brush.
Fuck yeah. And a little coupon.
Yep. That was it.
I stopped at BH Cosmetics. I really wanted this. This was on my list. This is the Zodiac Palette from BH. I had ordered it online. I was like, wait, I'm going to IMATS. So I was like, why am I gonna why am I gonna pay shipping? So I canceled my order and I got this. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Mattes and shimmers. Really nice. And a mirror. This was $18. And then I also really wanted this so bad. This is on my list. This is the Itsmyrayraye Palette. This was $20. So I spent $38 here. If I can open it.
I didn't even see it get that.
But this is what, this is all, this is terrible.
Girl,
you're not even helping. Watching me struggle. Thanks. So this is what she looks like. You get contours, eyeshadows, and BH Cosmetics is really good with their pigmentation. So got that. What the?
I'm actually pretty excited about this one.
Me too. This Pinky Rose was an impulse buy. Like, I stopped and I stared and I was like, don't do it. And then she saw a palette.
I didn't think I would. I did it.
She saw a palette and It's over. It's over.
I got Rustic Rose. Oh, I got Rustic Rose. Okay, let me just open this because
you show them, sister.
Like, look at these colors. I don't know. I really like the yellow and the orange
and the warm tones.
Yeah.
I guess that's one of their newer palettes that they're recently.
And there's like shimmers on the bottom. So
yeah. What did I get? What is this called? So I got the Center Stage. This was $24. This is the Center Stage eyeshadow palette. And Esther ended up getting this one too. I'm telling you, it was like an impulse buy. And I ended up getting a, what are you called? A glitter wand. This is like, this reminded me of the Stila Magnificent eyeshadow glitters that are recently launched. This is in the shade Aries, and I'm an Aries. Anyways, this one is really different. Let me just show you what this looks like. When I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, you are mine. This was 16 bucks at Pinky Rose, and when I saw it here, I was just like, you know what, just grab it. I'm gonna regret it if I didn't get it, and they're really, really nice. So we got that at Pinky Rose.
I think, well, for me, this is the last thing that I got.
Oh yeah, this is, we both haven't used this lash brand, and I'm pretty surprised I haven't, but this is from House of Lashes. I forgot the name of it. Cute bag. Yeah, this little
for little eyelashes that we got. Big bag.
Super cute. These packs, so it was 3 for $21 for these. I ended up getting 3 of the mini iconic minis. This one's.
I just got 2. Siren mini, and then the other one was
Naturale.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. They look like that.
But super cute. They're like little baby ones. So I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried this brand. And the last place, well, one of the last places that we went to was Frends Beauty. This right here. This is again another impulse purchase.
It's like everything is for you.
I ended up buying her the Headbang lip liner. She really liked that one. And I got 2 lip products. I got the Mota shade. That lady that was at the Melt booth, well, stand little area, she is a really good salesperson, because she was like, it's the last one. I was like, give it to me. So this is what she looks like. It's really different. I mean, clearly, you know me and my crazy colors.
I mean, I like it.
Like. I like it too. It's so pretty. Dang. You didn't even show them your color that you got.
What color?
Your lip liner.
It's just yellow. Well, it's just yellow. Something.
And then I got the lip liner in Hex, which was really pretty. It's like a nice mauve-y. What color are you? It's like a nice mauve tone purple. So we shall see. But that is our IMATS. Excuse you. Okay, Hershey's.
It seems like we bought a lot more.
Yeah, I felt like we were so done at 12. I was like,
I'm tired.
She checked out like at 11.
I was done for the day.
Yeah, we woke up really early at 6 a.m. Got there on time, right when they opened, and walked in. So it was really, really cool. Fun, but tiring. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Again, I'll have the prices down below in case you're interested in anything. I don't have all the receipts, but I remember them at the top of my head if I did. If not, I'll just leave it down below. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you later. Toodles! No, you messed up. Okay, we gotta do a